If you love light and fluffy pancakes studded with fresh blueberries, then you're in luck. July is National Blueberry Month, and there's no better time than right now to make them. That means these purplish blueberries are in abundance right now and at some of the lowest prices of the year. So let me share with you an amped up version of blueberry pancakes that I know you're going to love. We start by mixing together some self-rising flour with a bit of sugar and salt. We make a well in the center of this and set it aside. Next, we beat together a package of cream cheese, that's our secret ingredient, along with a couple of eggs. Once it's smooth, we mix in some milk, melted butter, and a splash of vanilla. This gets poured into the well of our dry ingredients, and we mix it. All that's left to do is fold in our blueberries, and it's ready to spoon onto a hot griddle. After a few minutes on each side, these babies are ready to slather with butter and syrup. What makes these so good, besides the fact that they're bursting with blueberries, is the richness we get from the cream cheese. To get the recipe for our blueberry cream cheese pancakes, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a
blueberry-licious way
for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Good? You left me some? Thank you.
A little bit.